Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear brothers and sisters. I hope inshallah all is well. قال الله تعالى في كتابه مثل الذين اتخذوا من دون الله أولياء كمثل العنكبوت اتخذت بيتا وإن أهون البيوت لبيت العنكبوت لو كانوا يعلمون. It means the parable of those who take guardians instead of Allah is that of the spider that takes a home. And indeed, the frailest of homes is the home of a spider. Had they known? We said earlier that one of the meanings of wilaya is the unity of believers. The important question is what or who is the cause of this solidarity and unity and connection? And who and what is the cause of this union? In a society where all members have the same goal, they want to shoulder the burden of mission. If this centering factor is chosen incorrectly, what happens? If it is weak and unreliable, instead of becoming a strength, it becomes a weakness. This axis of integration is only Allah Almighty. The link between the member of the society is none but Allah. And the Holy Quran has introduced this axis of connection and the embodiment of God's will to the Prophet's family. Consider the weakness of the spider's house. If the centrality and thread of the rosary is not the solidarity and connection of the people of God's will, whatever it wants to be is weak and perishable. Like the society that some Arab countries had around the axis of America and the Zionist regime until a few months ago. Israel, whose weakness is visible to everyone today, was the support point of some apparently Islamic countries until a few months ago. Wilaya of Allah can be examined in two dimensions. Number one, relationship of people with each other. Number two, God's relationship with people. The first one is that people connect with each other around the axis of Allah and reach out to each other. Like what we see in the days of Arba'een, when Shiites and Shia people, Shia Muslim of any race, establish ties around the axis of Sayyid al-Shuhada alayhi salatu wassalam. To understand the second dimension of God's wilaya, we must answer this question. Who is the ruler of our political and social life? Is it the Quran? Or is it a declaration of human rights? Or is it the 23 document and the like? Imam Khomeini believes and says, today the wilaya of Allah is manifested in the Quran. And the way to reach the wilaya of the Quran is the wilaya of the faqih. Let's hold fast all together to Allah's court. All the best to you. Bye.